Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can put math expressions in Canva. Now to go ahead and start, let's just navigate through our Canva design right here. Simply inside, you then want to navigate through apps and then you want to search for equations. From here, you then want to tap on the first application, which is going to be equations. Click on open. And from here, you will be able to simply use all of the equations on these applications the way you want to. So we have basics or we have advanced right here. Now to show you how powerful the application is, I'm going to insert a calculus right here. So I'm just going to click on the insert element, and from there it will then add the equation into my Canva design. From there, I'm going to add another one, which is going to be this one. And from there, if we simply click on the insert equation, it will then go ahead and add the equation right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.